You know, Matt, over the past 20 years, man, we've had a lot of memorable moments.
We have.
Yeah, you know, the guys at Powerstop Brakes, they've been a part of quite a number of them. I remember that we had that World Championship fisherman on the
It was
show.
Edwin.
Yeah.
Edwin Evers. He was in. Yeah, he was cool.
Yeah,
he was fun.
he was cool to me. I don't think he cared for you much.
No. What happened was he came in and he just warmed up to us quickly. And I liked it. He started busting our chops like right away. Like he fit right in like one of the boys, you know?
It's not bad for a bass fisherman.
No,
what do you
it's not
think?
bad at all.
Huh?
If that whole bass fishing thing doesn't pan out, dude, you got another plan.
Yeah, can I come here and be one of your mechanics?
Absolutely.
There we go.
Thank you, brother.
Oh,
Man, it's great having you.
I just got to say this. I can't thank you enough for the awesome upgrades on the Toyota.
Yeah.
I'm going to let y'all have it from here, though. It's just this. You guys got it. You're a team.
We do.
Perfect.
You're right.
Together, everything.
Dude.
I'm going to go on out of here. But thank you very much. I appreciate having me on. It's an honor.
He
Don't
gets
go.
us. And you suspect that I always take the brunt of that.
Well, you
But
do.
I've got a bit of a policy. You see, if you come onto the show, you can say whatever you want to. If you're doing the work and we get a little break, you say whatever you want to about me. I'll take it.
Agreed. I like that.